Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Dwood. I feel like it's been a long time, y'all. I feel like I have not formally talked to you guys in about a month. Actually, it hasn't been a month, but it felt like it. It's so hot. Oh my god. It's been a long minute. I literally don't even know where to start. Oh Jesus, dropping stuff already. Lips are extremely crusty. Let's handle that. I don't even have no skin prep on. Lord, okay. So I have this little bin that I put all the makeup that I plan to use, or not all the makeup, but like, you know, I got a lot of makeup and this kind of like narrows it down so I have a better bunch to choose from. And I made this basket 2 weeks ago, so I don't even remember what I put in here to prep, to prime. Girl, I don't know. I don't know what lip colors I put, what eyeshadow palette, what did I even have in mind? I don't know. I also have some new goodies from Sephora that I want to show y'all. Nothing too crazy. I literally just got a lip liner, a foundation sample, and a new blush. So, originally I wanted, this is just the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love this stuff. I'll be using this on days I wear makeup and days that I don't. Oh, it feels so good. I saw It's Really Adri here on YouTube use like a some sort of facial removal cream, and I never did that. In my 26 years of living, I always just like, you know, take my little eyebrow razor and razor off my little mustache. But I tried out the Nair facial cream, like hair removal cream, and at first it was burning a little bit and I was like, hell no, I ain't never using this again. But it's actually really smooth. Like, it's really smooth and it looks bright. I've been seeing the UK girlies use aloe on their face as a primer. So why is the damn dog barking? I can't catch a break, y'all. Every time I try to sit down and film, my neighbor's dog starts to go crazy. I don't know what he or she, because I don't even know what kind of dog it is or what gender it is. But every time I sit down, oh my goodness, that feels really, really good on the skin. Okay, let me get to these brows. I'm really actually excited about this foundation because, like I said, I got a foundation sample. Ooh. That feels good. Okay, let me do my brows really quick, actually. Oh, also what I wanted to do today, ooh, that was a little too bright. Whatever, I'll fix it. I wanted to do like a playlist video. I've been seeing a couple creators that I like here on YouTube do like playlist videos. So I think it's my turn. I be in a room, she be in a room. Too much to handle. Singing from Atlanta. I don't have no brushes. How am I do my makeup with no brushes? I'm really off my game because how am I trying to do some makeup with no brushes? Like, I had not one brush on my table. Ha! That's laughable. I don't like dark brows on myself. I think I'm gonna use the foundation sample that I got from Sephora. Okay, so I filmed the video with Brene, Be The Bee, and her face was looking so good. I'm like, girl, what foundation are you wearing? She said she was wearing the NARS Soft Matte, which I've heard a lot of things about this foundation. It's been around for a real, real long time. And honestly, every time I would see somebody wear it, like years and years back, it just would be so chalky looking to me. So I kind of formed my opinion on that and never thought to pick up the soft matte foundation from NARS. But her face was looking so good, I had to go get a sample. And I don't really even like matte foundation like that on me, but her face was looking so good. So I have that in the shade Namibia. Okay, this is really matte. Let me blend this out. Hold up. Because she's drying real, real, real fast. Oh my goodness, it's drying fast. Oh Lord. This is why I don't be fooling with no matte foundation. That's gonna have to work. I'm not about to go back and forth with these brows today. Especially because I'm in a good mood. Girl. We move. Okay, the brows look very different than what I typically do. I don't hate them, but it's definitely not my favorite brow that I've done. The foundation kind of did something right here, and I don't like that. So I would imagine that I have to blend this foundation out really, really fast. So let's see. I'm gonna do one side first. Lord, please let this come out good. Okay. It's definitely really, really matte. Oh my God, my phone is making noise. And it's not that I don't like matte foundations, cause that usually be like my go-to. Like I would only use matte foundation. But once I went over to like the more like natural finish and you know, that's what I'm in the mood for these days. Why is the phone making so much noise? Lord, I'm gonna have to put it on Do Not Disturb. This foundation, I thought it was really easy to blend, but on this side, I'm getting a little pushback. My phone, y'all, and then I have it connected to the speaker, so y'all are hearing the sounds in HD, in 4K. That looks really good. I wasn't expecting this. I was a little iffy with the shade. Okay, you're done. You're done. Had to put that phone on silent. Silento. Girl, why that look good? I can't believe it. Like, honestly. I really was not expecting it to look good. So I think I'm gonna do a more matte base today. Early in the morning, late at night. Don't even matter what time it is. I don't know, but I think I'm tired of this song. I'm a survivor. When I was a toddler. 2 a.m. Dress it up and make it real for me. Daughter so in style song. Spend the day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to NASA. 200 miles on the dash. Apply the pressure with the VVS. Like it was a Chevy. Absolutely love this song. I feel like that looks really, really good so far. I'm feeling it so far. I honestly was a little scared. Can't even lie. Because I have not touched my face in like over 2 weeks. Trying to decide if I want to do cream blush or not to cream blush. Because I feel like not to would be a sin. You know? And mama, don't worry. You raised a gangster. I'm a survivor. I feel like that man was just saying stuff. I do have a cream blush. I give you $5 if you could guess what this is. You probably already know. I think I've been using this. That look pink to y'all? It do. And wait till I show y'all the blush that I got to go over this. The powder blush. Ugh, you're gonna freaking gag. I don't know why I'm in the mood to like... Oh. I did not mean to put that much. I was gonna say, I don't know why I'm in the mood to over blush, but that was a lot. I'm gonna set with Juvia's Place. The, I don't even remember which one is the light one. Okay, this one. I'm all over the place today. Truly. I guess we could do a little scissor. I'm still a fan even though I was salty. What is this? I don't know what's up with me, but I just can't get it right today. Why do I have a whole patch of hair in the middle of my doggone eyebrow? What am I on today? Let's get back into the music. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with her heartbeat. Baby, take your clothes off. A chance like this, you may never get to show up. But it's okay, cause you don't need it when we going in that 2-4 loft in the middle of the city. After rolling through the city with me, I promise you gon' see.
I was running through the six with my walls.
You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. I'm just really freaking excited to show y'all this blush. So I'm just gonna skip to the blush. And yeah, okay, let me show y'all the blush that I got. I know y'all have been seeing the new Haus Labs blush all over the internet. I got this one in the shade, I don't even know what color this is. Dragon Fruit Days. Okay, period. And I did open it because look, it's so pretty. I'm a sucker for a good packaging, baby. I'ma buy it. If it's cute, I'ma buy it. Listen to me take off the paper, y'all. So satisfying. So this is what the color looks like. It picked up a lot of powder and that was literally just one dip in. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. The color is definitely there. It honestly really reminds me of the date night blush from Sephora. I love it, I love it, I love it. She's definitely going in the rotation for sure. I don't think I'm liking the way my products are laying over top of the matte foundation. Maybe I just need to finish first.
Yeah.
Woo.
Like a drink to the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all summer.
Rule number one to be a never let a clown nigga try to play you. His best friends and make them yes man. You the same clown nigga that was running me down. Go your pouch. Rex in a quarter ounce.
2 accounts.
Large amounts. Ooh. Yeah. It's Gucci. What's up, baby? If you know, you know. Yellow charm ring. Yellow living room set. Shakita. My phantom said no sixes, no toy. Oh, I choke. Okay, now this is starting to look like something. Vegas to LA, yeah. Call your friends and let's get drunk. And she did it for free. Okay, let me just pause real quick. Hold up. Okay, so if you did not know, I am a Young Thug fan. So yes, it's Free Thug. When this song came out, I literally thought this was one of his best like pieces of work ever. I was obsessed. This one size powder, I'm like on the fence about this. I'm not sure if I love it, if it's okay, or if I hate it, but it's literally gone. This is the first makeup product that I've actually finished. Every other makeup product that I have, it's either like halfway done, but this is like done. I can barely get anything out of here, but I'm gonna get every last particle out of that. Of course, we're gonna be doing half lashes. Well, I can't even say of course, because that's definitely a new thing for me, but I've been loving it. The only downside is when you have to take off your makeup, it's a pain trying to get all this mascara off. Kept the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. I swear I be harmonizing. We stay good friends. And this cup ends, the next one begins. To be there for me. Tell me that didn't sound good.
You a little
Post-oak baby. You a little 48 baby. So y'all heard when Drake just said, you a little post-oak baby. Let me tell y'all what I thought he was saying and what I found out what he's saying. Drake just really showed me that I'm broke. Because these things, these celebrities and stuff be talking about in their songs, I don't be knowing what they be talking about. I just be singing along and vibing out, right? So I thought he was saying, you a little posto baby. Like putting a spin on the word postal, but saying it like posto, so that it can kind of like flow with the song a little bit better. So I thought he was saying you a postal girl, like you like be everywhere like postal codes. No, y'all. He said Post Oak, which apparently is like a really nice hotel. I want to say in Texas. Don't quote me on the Texas part. All the it girls and all the niggas with money, that's where they be at. They be at Post Oak. Okay, I have a question for y'all as I'm applying my lashes. I feel like normally when I do my lashes, I do my right eye first and then my left eye. Like anytime I do it left eye and then right eye, something goes wrong. And just like I said, this eye looks completely wonky to me. My makeup is just not coming out right today. I don't know what's happening, but I am not a happy camper. I've really been struggling to find a lip that I feel like complements this look. So, I don't know. I was about to do something. I got this new Makeup Forever lip liner from Sephora called Artist Color Pencil. It's not really for the lip, it's just a colored pencil. This is in the shade Dimensional Dark Brown 612. And I really want to use this just to kind of like give the lip some dimension. So let's see. I feel like as a dark skinned girl, I'll forever be on the hunt for brown lip liners. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm not really sure how I feel about that NARS foundation. I feel like all my other products just kind of layered over top of it in like a weird way. Like when I look at myself, I'm not giving like, but anyway. Thank y'all so much for tuning in for another video. Thank y'all for turning up with me. Before you head out, definitely be sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.